Late. Where are you? Get down here now. Finally, what took so long?
I saw it again this morning. Something's ding. Something's not right. We need to do something now.
I have to go, I'm late. Hurry up, we need to leave now. I've got the keys.
Guess what I found in the garden? It's small and squishy, and I think it might be magic. Oh, wow! This is the best surprise ever! I'm so excited!
All right, finally got this monster suitcase packed and ready to go. I've got the cooler packed with sandwiches and drinks, all ready for the picnic.
All right, that's everything securely packed. Time to hit the road for our adventure.
Please? I promise I'll be extra good. We can't leave Mr. Fluffy behind.
Okay, sunscreen, towels, cooler, snacks. Did I remember the beach umbrella? Checklist looks good. All right, we're ready to go. All right, everyone, time to go. Let's make this the best trip ever.
Oh, yeah. I'm so excited about this trip. The weather looks perfect and I've packed all the snacks.
Daddy, I can't wait to see Grandma. Did you bring the bubbles? I brought Bear.
I know you want to do it your way, but sometimes you just need to follow the rules, okay? I know you understand.
I did it all by myself. Now we can go.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna nail this presentation. Let's do it. I'm just waiting for the light to change. It's taken a bit, but that's okay. We'll get there. All right, traffic light's green. Let's get going. Perfect weather for it, isn't it?
Look at all the green fields and the sheep. It's so beautiful. I've never seen anything like it before.
Look, over there. It's a whole flock of the fluffiest sheep I've ever seen. They're so cute.
1, 2, 3, 4. Look, so many sheep out there.
I couldn't believe it. He had the biggest grin on his face. It was priceless. And that's exactly what I mean about him. Incredible. You should have seen it.
And look, there's that charming little stone church with the pointed steeple, right among the thatched roof cottages and those beautiful green trees.
Are we there yet? How much longer until we get to the beach?
Almost there, honey.
But I'm bored. Can we play a game now?
Okay, so we're just gonna take this exit here, and then it's about 2 miles to the park entrance. See it right there on the map?
I told you I didn't want to leave. This road trip is the most boring thing ever. Can we just go home?
Well, we should be all set to go now. Just need to pay, and then we're back on the road.
I'll just be a minute, honey.
I'm looking for a specific type of coolant for my classic car.
Ah, yes, we have that right here on the end of the aisle.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
Hello there. Did you find everything all right today? That will be $25.50, please.
Good morning. Can I get a receipt, please?
Sure.
Sure, here you go. All right, filled up and ready to hit the road. Let's get going.
Look at the cows. They're so big. They're eating grass. I want to pet one. Let's stop.
All right, just a little further. Stay focused. Keep it steady, don't rush.
Oh my goodness, we're almost there. I see it. It's so beautiful. Faster, faster.
All right, we're here. This is even more beautiful than I remembered.
Oh, it's you. Come in, darling. Don't just stand there. Make yourself at home.
I'm getting in the play. Isn't it wonderful?
I've missed you so much, my sweet Lily. It feels like forever.
Me too, Grandma. I'm so happy to see you.
Welcome, welcome to the old place. Come here, you. It's so good to see you.
You won't believe what happened today, Arthur. It was magical!
I'm listening, Lily. Go on.
And then the fairies all danced around me.
It's so good to see you, Margaret.
I missed you too, my dear.
It's truly an honor to be here, Mr. Arthur.
Oh, the pleasure's all mine, David. Come in, come in.
What's that smell? It smells like cookies. Yummy cookies. I found them.
Don't tell the others yet. It's a surprise.
All right, 2 spoonfuls for the pot, 1 for each cup. Perfect. Now, let's get you this tea.
I made this just for you, sweetie.
Thank you, Grandma. This is the best cake ever. I think we should explore the big forest first. It will be an adventure. Please, Grandpa Arthur. Just 5 more minutes, please.
Oh, all right, Lily.
Isn't it just beautiful out here, Lily? Look at all the flowers.
Wow, Arthur, it's so colorful.
I've been working on these for years. And look at them now. Absolutely beautiful, aren't they?
Wow, this smells so much sweeter than I thought. It's like candy. Look at this one, it's so big.
And here we have the prize-winning carrots, taller than ever this year, right next to the tomatoes bursting with color. It's a true bounty.
Wow, look at that one. It's so big, I've never seen a vegetable like that before. It's glowing. Look.
Oh, look at this one. The finest carrot I've grown all year. See how big it is?
Wow, this is the biggest carrot I've ever seen. It still has dirt on it. Smells like the earth. Look at all the bits.
Ah, that was a good one, Lily. You always make me laugh.
I know, Gramps.
But let's see if you can solve this little garden mystery.
All right, smile bright for the camera. Perfect. Just one more. Okay, all done.
Oh, darling, there you are. Come on in, it's getting late. Supper's ready.
Welcome, everyone. I'm so glad we're all here. Nana, look at the flowers.
They're beautiful, aren't they, Lily?
And here it is, my dears, fresh out of the oven, just for you.
Oh, it looks wonderful, Margaret.
It smells amazing, Grandma.
Wow. This looks absolutely incredible. I can't believe how perfect it is. Thank you so much.
You remember that holiday?
Oh, I do.
The one with the ice cream? Exactly, you ran right into the tide.
We laughed for weeks.
I still do.
Oh, excuse me, I'm so sleepy. She's adorable. Looks like it's past her bedtime. No, I'm not tired. I want to stay up. Just a little longer. I'm wide awake. Oh, someone's sleepy.
Time for bed, little one.
Bless her heart.
Good night, sweetie. Time for bed, little one. We'll read your favorite book upstairs.
I just wanted to say thank you all so much for your support. It really means the world to me.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon.
But wait, have you considered this approach? I'd love to know what you guys think.
Goodbye, everyone. I'm sending you all my love and support. Always remember to stay positive and keep reaching for the stars.